issued severe thunderstorm watch number 480, effective until midnight Eastern Daylight Time Sunday. This watch includes the following counties in Ohio: Carroll, Columbiana, and Tuscarawas. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 480 has been issued from 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time until midnight Eastern Daylight Time Sunday for the following counties in Ohio: Carroll,